Johnny, it is not happy. Yeah, you gotta sit down. I don't want you dead. I'll pull up like I did yesterday and we'll get the spike in. So the thing about why I don't want you yanking on the string is because you'll pull the hook out or bend it straight if it's a really big one. He's gonna get all kinds of crazy here in a second. Oh! What is on here? Let's see what Johnny pulls in. If it's real big, let's see how big it is. Oh, it's nicer than yesterday's.
Do you want to get the net? He's a big one. He's a
just
flatty.
stick your hand in its mouth. Or do you want me to do it? I'll show you.
Show me how to do it.
Hold this just right in the right direction.
Oh, fuck.
So don't hold the rope too hard.
He's a monster, dude. Dude, I don't know how them people noodle.
Alright. What do you think the weight on this one is, Johnny?
Let me get a pick. 12 pounds. Let me get a pick.
I'll let you get a pick in a second. Let me get the hook out. Oh, he's in there. Good. Look around his cheekbone. What the fuck is that?
Little cheek meat. You gotta cut it or what?
No.
That's a flathead, right?
Yes. Alright.
Keeping him?
You want it?
We don't have to, if you want it. You already probably got a lot of meat, don't you? Or is it too big?
Let's see, you said, let's say this one's probably pushing 15 pounds. You tell me.
15.1, 15.
Aim the camera up.
15.
My new film guy, he's having a little 15 pounder. And we'll keep him. Do one more. Here, I'll get your picture with him. The grip in there is pretty sharp. Alright, Johnny. Can you turn him around? 15 pounder.
That's a big
Yeah, there's something on there. You can see it. What are you talking about?
I ain't fucking with no snapper. Whoa, he's stirring up the fucking shit.
Sorry, YouTubers. Johnny doesn't have proper English.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Jimmy. I told you, it's a fucking snapper. He's
Oh
huge.
yeah, sweet.
Oh wait.
It's a snapper.
He's kind of not.
He's just hooked.
Oh shit. Yeah, he's a fucking snapper.
Here,
dude.
you take the video.
I ain't fucking with that bugger. Excuse me. I thought it was a monster catfish. Yeah.
You getting video?
Yeah.
Well done. Well, that's exciting. I don't know how to make turtle stew.
Yuck. How are you gonna get him off? It looked like it was just kind of hooked in his side.
It is.
Well, that fish that was up here, it looked like it was hooked. Because it had like a scar on the side of it, and it was right here. I wonder if he got it off or...
Oh. I do need to get a picture of it.
That's a big snapper, dude. It's just on his shell. God damn.
You're alright. I'm gonna let you go in just a second.
Jimmy, I called it. I said, if it's a snapper, you're on your own. Would we pull
Yeah.
up a snapper?
I don't know why the hell you would have thought that.
You should be able to get it out of his shell.
Yeah. We'll get him.
So don't let him bite you. He's fucking mean. Damn.
I gotta get my hand within range of him now.
Well, if you can, what if you put him in the boat and put your foot on the shell? He ain't gonna bite them boots, is he?
You got video going?
This is Jimmy Bennett, Wild America. God damn, he's a
It's in his
mean.
shell pretty good.
feisty little devil, isn't he?
I'm trying to get you, bud.
Snap us!
Oh. Yep. New channel. Mud snappers. And we don't even have alligator snappers.
Oh, we don't?
No, those are.
That
south.
was pretty close.
That was cool, John. See?
Big.
You got that stuff when you're using just a fishing pole? Yeah, you probably could, but the odds.
He got your bait off that pole, I think.
Surprised he didn't eat the hole. Oh, friggin'. So, that was the first for me. Never caught.
That's the first
Snapper.
I've seen him riding motorcycles.